Cons Maths 5 Plus, page 41. Dear students, let's have activity time. Write A for all and S for some to fill in the blanks. Classroom is empty. All students have gone to their home. Note that empty room shows that all have gone and there is no student left in the classroom. Some of them went by bus. It shows that some might have gone by bus, while some might have gone on foot, by car, on rickshaw, etc. See the broken eggs in each group. Tick A for all eggs are broken and S for some eggs are broken. Dear children, it is very easy. See carefully and tick A or S. In picture on the left of the page, all eggs are broken, so tick the A. In picture on the right side of the page, some eggs are broken, so tick the S. That's wonderful. See the blue birds in each group. Write A for all and S for some. Look at these pictures carefully. In picture on the left of the page, all are blue birds, so tick the A. In picture on the right of the page, some are blue birds while some are red birds, so tick the S. Respectable teachers and parents, explain the difference between some and all, giving simple examples according to the children's cognition and understanding level. Tell them that some is clearly lesser than all. Also tell them that all is the total number of objects in a set and some is a part of it. Demonstrate through different objects in the classroom. Also, ask the children whether the objects you are showing them are some or all. Help them in recognition of some and all while repeating the basic information about their usage. Appreciate the children for their better understanding of the topic and involvement in today's lecture. Clap for them so that they may learn new things with more concentration and devotion. Thank you.